loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. For today's video, I recently went thrift shopping again, and of course I had to take you guys on my little excursions. I went to one of the thrift stores I've taken you before. It's more of, I would say, clothing versus home decor, but I did end up finding some home decor pieces, but I feel this time I was a little bit more lucky with the clothing. So the reason why I went to this thrift store, I end up going because spring is right around the corner and I wanted to do a little revamp in my spring wardrobe and I wanted to get a few spring pieces. I went to that store rather than the other ones with more home decor. That's what today's video is going to be all about. We're going to go into the whole shopping and then move our way into the haul part. But before we get into all of that, I wanted to say a big thank you to all your beautiful comments about what I addressed last week. I'm not going to go into it. I want to move forward, but I did feel it was important for me to address it, not only for me, but for other people. I just think that it's so important that we all just love and accept one another for who we are and not judge people. So not only did I feel a certain way for myself, but I also felt that it was something that I had to say for everybody. I mean, we all need to love and accept and appreciate one another for who we are. There were so many comments and so many positive messages that really helped uplift me and keep me going and allow me to stay true to who I am. And that's exactly what I want for you guys as well. So I'm gonna keep doing me and being me, and you guys need to do the same. I'm gonna try my best to answer all of you, but there's so many messages that it's hard to keep up. But I wanted to say a big thank you. I said what I had to say, and now we're gonna just focus on all the beautiful and amazing people that love and support me. With that being said, I wanted to also say a big thank you to Ritual for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know Ritual is a multivitamin company. I am so happy that they reached out to me because I had heard amazing things. I'm very more plant-based. I've discussed this previously. So it's for sure that I am probably lacking certain vitamins. I was actually looking for vitamins to help make me feel a little bit healthier and make sure that I'm having all the vitamins that I need. What I love about Ritual is that they are a clean vitamin, and that to me is so important. I am all about clean eating, clean vitamins. They are also backed by science, which allows you to know where the ingredients are from and why they're there. The multivitamin that I ended up getting is the Essential Woman 18 and Plus. It's formulated with key high quality nutrients to help fill common dietary gaps. And also they are vegan friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, major allergen-free, without extras and artificial colorings. Another thing is that it's designed to be gentle on the stomach so you can take it without food. And to me, that is so important. I have taken vitamins where I was just not feeling good. I had nausea. So I am so excited about these ones. If you guys are looking for the perfect multivitamin, I will leave all the information down below. And of course, they are super sweet. They're offering you guys a discount code. Anyway, without further ado, we're going to jump right into the whole shopping part and then afterwards the haul part. So enjoy. now for the haul part. I'm gonna obviously start off with the home decor first, move my way into the clothing like I normally do. I didn't get that much home decor, but I'll share some of the things from Koakaya like I did last video, and you guys seem to have liked it. So I'm gonna share a piece that I got from the thrift store and then 2 other pieces that are now available on Koakaya. So I'm gonna start off with my first piece. I end up finding this wonky looking basket. Well, I say basket, but it's like basket vase kind of thing. I also love that it was wonky, and I end up paying this, I think it was $5.99. So super cute. I think it's the perfect little basket to put with obviously other vases, or you put it in a corner. You can do the whole high-low effect that I love. That's exactly what I did. I put it in my stairwell in one of the corners where I have a vase there, and it gives that perfect balance. Moving on to my next piece. These are now available on Koakaya, and I know that they're probably going to be the oddest things that you guys are probably going to see. It was something that I thought a lot of people can get use out of it. I go in the idea of finding, first of all, original pieces. They were these super cute little, I would call them like little decorative brooms. I think that these are the perfect accessory, whether you want to put them in a bowl, on top of your coffee table with books. You can also hang it. I think that there's so many ways that you can decorate with them. And sometimes you have a bowl that you just don't know what to put in it. And I think it fills it up. I put it in one of my bedrooms in those big bowls that I have, and I thought that they fit perfectly. They're the perfect accents. So these are now listed in the shop. So the price is $25. Anyway, I thought that they were super cool, different. They have a boho feel to them. They also have an ethnic feel. They're made out of palm leaves, and then there's this sort of, I would say, raffia around it. I thought that they were different, and I wanted to share them with you. Moving on to my next piece. This is something, again, that is in the shop. I end up finding it thrift shopping. I was debating whether or not to keep them for myself, but I have so many cups. I have a whole collection of them that I have no space for them. So I wanted to put them up in the shop, and they were a set of 4. They had little specklings on it, and what drew me to them was the whole shape of the handle. They were simple, and it comes with a saucer as well. I think they are the perfect little set. I ended up finding them at that store where there was a lot more clothing. I did one last take before leaving the store, and I go, okay, let me just go look again in the home decor, and they were at the very bottom shelf. They also had bowls that came with them, but I wasn't crazy about the bowls. I thought that they had a little vintage retro feel to them. They would be perfect in someone's home. So anyway, if you guys are interested, the link is down below. So moving on to the clothing part. Now, I was super lucky with this one. I was obviously going through the racks, and I've mentioned to you, I always look for either prints, colors, patterns, whatever I'm drawn to. And this totally stood out to me. I was blown away that someone got rid of this. It is this 3-piece set. It comes with the skirt, and it's all embroidered. Look at the gorgeous embroidery. So beautiful. It has also the pants like this with a little drawstring at the top here. And then it has a strapless top here. This is where I'm going to be doing a DIY. I tried on the pants. First of all, the skirt fits perfectly. The top is good. I just am one of those people that love more tops with sleeves. I am not someone that likes to show my arms. I know. Between my ankles and my arms, I'm a hot mess. But I just love things that have sleeves. I love my poofy sleeves. I love my girly sleeves. I think that it adds something extra. So here is where I'm going to be doing a little DIY thanks to my sewing machine. I tried on the pants, and I know some of you are going to be like, don't do it, but I'm going to listen to my gut and I'm going to do it. I tried on the pants. The pants were just not sitting right on my body. I am not crazy about this black line here. It doesn't complement my body. I thought of taking the bottom of the pants and then turning them into sleeves. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave them wide, or I'm also going to maybe make them into balloon sleeves. I'm going to attach them to this top. I think it's going to look good. So anyway, if I end up doing it, I'll share with you what I end up doing. I think it's going to come out good. Anyway, fingers crossed what I'm envisioning actually comes through. But anyway, I end up paying $20 for this 3-piece set, which is amazing. You get 3 pieces. and the quality of it. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on the screen, and it's perfect for the springtime. It's black and gold, and it's not something that you would normally wear in the summer or springtime, but I do think that it is different, and because of the floral and the embroidery, I see this whole boho gypsy look. That's the first pieces I found. Moving on to my next piece, I was looking in the blazers. What drew me to this was the print. I thought this super cool tie-dye. The colors were muted, which you guys know I love. It has this soft feel to it, and then it goes tight here at the waist, and then at the bottom there's this cutout detailing, and it goes into points. At first, I wasn't crazy about the bottom half of it, but when I tried it on, I thought it was so fun and unique. And there was a girl, if you guys saw in the clip, there's a girl in the back of me, and the minute I put it on, she was like, oh my gosh, she's like, you have to get it. It looks amazing. I guess I got a little, not peer pressured, but she made me buy it. I thought it was fun. It has this, it looks like almost like an oil spill instead of tie-dye. You can put a belt, you can wear it over a dress, a skirt, pair of pants, whatever it is. I think it's very feminine. If I push the sleeves, it has the balloon sleeves that you guys know I love so much. There is padding in the shoulders. Now, I'm not sure whether I'm going to take the padding out or if it's giving that 90s vibe with shoulder pads. So I'm still debating on that one. But anyway, I'm super happy. I end up paying this $12.99, which is really good for a jacket. So moving on to my next piece. I know it's not for everybody, but I thought that the fabric, the print, the colors, I thought were fun, unique. It is this beautiful floral. It has a very vintage vibe to it, and it has slits on the side here. It also comes with a skirt. It has this pleated effect here, so very, very vintagey, something that my grandmother would wear. But I was so drawn to it. I thought the color palette was beautiful, the florals. However, the only thing that I am not too crazy about is this sort of yellow band at the sleeves. It's not my thing. So what I'm thinking of doing is folding them back in, sewing them, and hiding them. The yellow strip at the top of the skirt doesn't show, so I don't really have to do anything. But I am not crazy about the yellow strap on the sleeve. So I thought wearing it together with a belt, having fun with it, or even just wearing it loose with some really beautiful boots. I end up paying this set $6.99. So I'm going to be channeling grandma vibes, which is so cool. I love it. My grandmother was my second mom. She was amazing. She is amazing. She was amazing. And I miss her every day. But anyway, so it reminds me of my grandmother. So moving on to my last piece, I am also blown away that someone got rid of this. I found this super cute ring. I just love the little bells on it. I thought it was beautiful. Let me show you what it looks like on. It had this brass look to it. It had me written all over it. I am in love with it. I'm obsessed. I ended up paying it $4. It was still new in the package. It was actually a ring from Zara, and I ended up finding it at the counter right at the cash when I was paying for everything. It has a little bell ring to it, which is just so fun. I love to mix up my metals, and I thought a little brass would add the perfect little touch. So that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this. And again, I wanted to say a big thank you to all of you, and thank you to Ritual for sponsoring this video. Thank you all so much for your love, your support, your comments, your thumbs up. It just helps my channel in so many ways, and I am so grateful. And anyway, with that being said, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing week. Mwah!